honest, that one sounded like a beat. If you thought that was cool, wait till you see more. These ones are even cooler, I think. But let's find out. Here's something cool about this. Here, watch. Let me show you. I place this down, and I get on it when I light it up. Watch what happens. See, I get hurt. This might happen if you get on a firework in real life, so don't ever try this. It might cause you serious injuries. It might make you end up in the hospital. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, this is just a reminder. This is just a remake. I had to go in the shower if you guys didn't know. And yeah, that's it. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.